Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if your phone doesn't turn on. There are several problems or the reasons why your phone won't turn on, from the battery failure to the software issues. But most time you can narrow it down to a few common problems, including the drained battery, water or physical damage, or a software glitch. So in this video, I'm going to give you some method to fix or to fix so your phone can turn on. Guys, before that, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. So let's start the video. If you are having an issue with the unresponsive phone, then you don't have to panic. So there are several ways to get it back up and running without going extreme. So here you can fix your phone that won't turn on. So guys, first of all, first method, and which is very common method, is to restart your phone. The problem could be that your phone is frozen, so try restarting it the normal way. If that doesn't work, you may have to force restart your phone. If you are using your Android phone, then you have to press and hold power button for about 30 seconds. If you are using iPhone, then you may have to uh, press or quickly release the power up button and the volume down button. But in this video I'm going to tell you about only Android phone. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, then you have to press your power button for 30 seconds continuously. And if you are using Samsung phone, then you may also have to press power button and power volume down button at the same time. And you have to wait until your screen turn on, and once your screen turn on, you have to release your buttons. So if your phone restarts, then your phone will be turn on without any causing other problems. So this is the first method. And second method is to charge your battery. So plug in your phone for 15 to 25 minutes may do the works, and connect your device to the charger and give it some uh, energy. And if the battery symbol appears on the screen, be sure your phone again enough power before you turning it on. So you have to leave your phone for charging around 25 minutes and let it charge. Don't try to restart your phone when it is charging. So let it charge enough so you can try turning it on. So these are the this is the second method you can try. And if you tried your charge your phone and it won't turn on, it may be dust or dirt clogging clogging around the charging port, or problem, or there can be problem with your USB or lightning cable. So you can try with different chargers. And if this method doesn't work, then guys, third method is to enable safe mode. So using safe mode, your phone will disable the third party apps that may be causing issue for device. So if goes well, allow it to on. And so it try to disable all the unnecessary third party apps. And usually third party apps create such problem. So it will try to diagnose any third party application and disable it in the safe mode. So try to how can you enter into safe mode? So you have to press power button. And when your phone begins to boot up, press volume down until the safe mode appear. So you have to press power button when the screen turn on. Now you have to press volume down button. So you have to press and hold the volume down button until you see a safe mode on your screen. So if you want to exit the safe mode, you can restart your device and you can exit the safe mode. So safe mode usually fix this problem, and if still it doesn't fix your problem, then check for the damage. Sometimes cracks, breaks or corrosion on your phone aren't visible right away, so try shining light on the screen and removing your phone case to check for a physical damage. So you can also try your device to see if it vibrates or ring, and it's usually due to the water damage also. So you can dry your phone. There's a trick which is a rice method. So you can keep the phone in the rice bottle and keep it, so all the rice usually soak the water from the phone and it will make your phone dry. So this is the cheapest method to dry your phone. And if all four method doesn't work, then the final method is to factory reset your phone. So if you have tried these method I have told before, so still if you still need solutions, so what you have to do? So if you are still not being able to turn on your phone, there is another way you can try and power it on. This step involves your PC. So you need a laptop or a PC, and this is a fix that has been endorsed by Google. So what you need to do, you have to connect your smartphone to your computer via USB and let it charge for 15 to 20 minutes and take the cable out of the phone. Don't disconnect from your computer and plug it back in again within 10 seconds of removing it, and let it charge for a further 30 minutes at least. First you have to charge for 15 to 20 minutes, disconnect your phone from the USB cable, and again connect your phone and charge it for 30 minutes at least, and press and hold the power button for 5 seconds and hit the restart. If you do not get the restart option straight away, continue holding your power button for 30 seconds. If none of these steps have worked for you, then it could be time to take your device to the service center. So these are the methods you can apply, and if none of the options works for you, then you may have to concern the service center. And thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.